Oh, hello all. I'm preparing an inaugural South camping trip for myself in a few weeks. So I've purchased this lightweight cooking set and in preparation. It cost me 23 quid on Amazon, and I'm going to review it, just give an honest impression of what I think of it. Tried it out this morning, so here we go. So first of all, it got decent reviews on Amazon anyway, so that's what I bought in the first place. It's really compact, it is very, very small. It's got this netted bag to hold it all in, which is quite good as it doesn't clip together. The lid here just lifts off, so it's a little cup or a little saucepan. So it holds about 500 millilitres of water, that does. There's a cleaning cloth for cleaning it. There's the little stove there, a plastic container holding the stove. Then below it is the larger container, which holds about 800 millilitres of water. And then inside there is the spork, combination of a spoon and a fork, and a spork. And with the spork, you have to make sure the metal clip here is pushed forward towards the front to stop the handle pinging open and dropping your noodles over the floor. So the gas stove then is neatly packed in its orange container. It looks to be fairly well built, mostly made of aluminium and stainless. And it is really light, yeah. Then on the bottom there's a standard screw thread to attach to a gas canister with piezo ignition for easy lighting. And there's a little valve control there for controlling the flame. So I'm going to see how long it takes for this stove to boil 500 millilitres of water. For the test I'm using a camping gas. It's a 175 gram cartridge. It's all I had around at the time. The setup of this is quite tall. It's fairly stable with a bit of care. But I think a wider base cartridge, such as a C30, Coleman C300, sorry, would be more stable. I'm going to use the big container for this test. See that, 800 millilitres, so it's just over half full. The little arms of the stove fold out for different size pots as well. So then, just over 5 minutes to boil that cup of water, which I think is quite acceptable really, because it's just outside and the stove wasn't on its max setting. One thing to note, I found it very difficult to remove the stove from the canister after use. The stove wasn't hot, it was just really tight. but perhaps it's because it's new. It might ease up over time. So overall, I'm quite pleased with this set. It seems good quality for the price, and I'm keen to see how it performs in the wild. And the link for Amazon is below.